Ayun na, pogi ka ko.
For you. For you guys.
Pagay ka na. Ang pogi.
Ano ba?
Ang pogi niyo.
Kamusta po kayo?
Taga saan siya sa mga kausapin mo?
How are you guys?
Kahit walang tayo, di na. Pogi, yung gagawag mo naman ano yun.
Ano ba ang sabi mo?
Taga saan ka po?
Right now I'm.
Pasensya ka na po sa tropa ko ha.
It's alright. It's alright.
Mga ano kasi, tignan mo. Ulo?
Gusto ang tagal mo, T.
Oh, burger ka. McDo ka sa kanya. Bakit nag-iba?
Nasaan po kayo?
Tangina mo.
Anyong po. Anyong. Kamusta po kayo dyan?
Saglit na naman kasi. Ay, kuya, ano daw? Taga saan ka daw? Sabi niya.
Taga Cavite po ako.
Taga saan po?
Cavite po. Cavite.
Ah, Cavite. Cavite daw siya ba? Cavite daw.
I'm here for vacation. I'll miss you.
Cavite pala.
Yeah. Right now I'm in Cavite for vacation.
Po?
For vacation. Yeah. I almost here.
What?
I almost 2 months here in Cavite.
What you doing? You know that? No!
Almost 2 months. 2 months here in Cavite.
Japanese.
Ha? Ha?
I almost 2 months here in Cavite.
What? What?
I almost here.
What you said?
Oh.
Where?
In Cavite.
Where you from?
Cavite. From Cavite.
Cavite only?
Yeah.
But,
I'm
Really?
here for
How long?
vacation. For vacation. I'm here for vacation. For
vacation only. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. With your parents?
what?
With your parents?
No, no. I'm only one. I'm only one.
You only one? How come
Yeah.
you go there in Cavite if you have...
I travel the world. But I choose to
okay.
because here in Philippines is really good.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
How old are you?
How about you? Where are you from?
Philippines. Choose
Oh,
one.
I'm from Philippines. Where in Philippines? Manila?
Here in Bulacan. You know Bulacan place?
Bulacan. Bulacan.
Yeah, Bulacan.
Oh,
You know here?
no, I don't know that place.
You never hear that place?
Yeah.
Next time if you going to...
Someday I visit you.
Sure. Just contact my friend if ever. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Can I see your face? Can I see your face?
Ayan o, share your face daw. Ayan siya o.
You look so beautiful.
Ayan yan. You beautiful daw. Oh, kausapin mo, ikaw daw ko doon eh.
And you
So
look
beautiful.
I'm ugly. I'm not pretty.
what?
I'm not pretty.
What did you say?
I'm not pretty. How old
I
are you
know
anyway?
you're not crazy, but you look so beautiful.
Well, that's what
Yeah.
Filipino are.
Yeah, I like Filipina.
Do you ever have girlfriend?
I don't have already, but if you like it, if you want,
How old are you?
Uy, baboy mo.
I'm 23.
Oh, you're too young. I'm 35 years old already.
Oh. You're single? Oh, check that.
Oh, ikaw na kumain.
You
Ayoko na.
working or
Are you single?
Ayoko.
Studying.
Ano lang. Smooth.
working or studying?
Me right now? I'm studying.
No, actually, I'm a single mother.
Uy.
Oh.
I have 2 kids, boy and girl.
Can I see your face?
How about you?
Can I see your face?
Ano? Kasi already, di ba? Ano to?
Ano?
Ano?
Ano yan? Koreano siya.
Talk to you later. You just talk
Okay,
with
okay.
my friends. I'm just going to buy something, okay? Goodbye. Nice to talk to you.
Thank you.
Kita ka kasi dyan, oh.
Thank you very much.
Oh, ayun na, nagbabay siya, huy. Nagbabay siya.
Bye.
Black Beauty kasi, Black Beauty.
What?
Morena, Morena.
What does it mean? Just like black girl?
Eh! Ano daw FB mo?
But you look so handsome. You look handsome.
What?
You look so handsome.
Sino?
You.
Not? I'm not, ano. Namubobo na naman ako sa English. Kanina, okay na ako eh.
What? What did you say? Can you speak English?
What? How old are you?
I'm 24.
Ha?
I'm 24.
Ah, 24.
Yeah.
Ano lang ako? 19.
Oh,
19 diyan mo na yon.
no. What does mean? Can you elaborate?
Ano ba, ano Facebook mo?
And Facebook account.
Morena.
Ano sabi? Ano, sabi mo lang.
Ay, ililista ko.
Meo.
Ano bang tawag doon? Okay ka lang.
Comment mo dyan.
Good ka lang ba dyan?
Yeah.
Morena.
Nabubobo ako ngayon. Ang sakit kasi wala kasi akong tulog talaga.
What do you mean by
Pogi
bobo?
naman yan.
What bobo?
Eh, ikaw makipag-usap dito.
Ito masarap po.
Hi guys.
Nice. May libag daw kilikili niya eh. Wait lang.
Can you speak English?
Ano ba tawag sa kilikili? Putik talaga. Nakakabobo talaga mag-English eh. Wait lang ah. Ano ba tawag doon? Is kilikili niya is maitim.
What? Kelly? I don't understand you.
Ayan o. Ikaw natin kasi hindi ko maintindihan gagawin sa English. Gago. Ang bobo ako dyan.
Hi. Hi, pretty.
Ha?
Hello, pretty.
Dalawa na yung sila kausap ko.
What? Oh, thank you. Look. What's your Facebook account?
Can you ask me? Can you ask me?
Punta dito, mahirapan na. Hindi na talaga sana yung best friend natin. Lakad ng malayo.
You see this account,
Alam
you
niyo na.
message in this account, this Facebook account, or this TikTok account, you message me. Alam mo, hindi ko na siya maintindihan. Kasi dalawang boses.
Hindi, pwede naman isa lang eh.
What?
Magtatagalog na dapat ako eh. Ano ba yan? Bad trip. Pero ang hirap mag-English ah. Nagpa-practice lang naman ako mag-English eh. Pinipigil ako yung tawa ko, hayop na yan. Nanghingi pa ng backup eh. Backup pa eh. Pero ang galing ng Pilipino ah. Ang galing ah. Naintindihan nila. Parang Pilipino talaga magaling sa English talaga. Totoo lang. Yung English ko naman di malalim eh. Parang ano lang, simpleng English lang akin eh. Masakit siya kahit na yan. Isa pa nga. Last one. Last one.